Programs may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is recommended.
Ang programang ito ay naglalabas ng sensitibong eksena at impormasyon. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Okay, isang magandang araw po uli sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman, back to our music. Sorry po nung mga nakaraan, di po tayo Pero ngayon, makaka-relate yung iba dito. Diba? Oh, naririnig niyo yung mga ganyan, diba? Ang sarap sumayaw, no? Okay, ang aking binabanggit po, kilala nyo ba? Si Maria Helen Bella Avenida Santa Maria. Pinanganak ito noong September 17, 1949. At siyempre, iniwan tayo noong December 10, 2008. Siya isang Pilipina actress and singer, best known for recording and string of hit love ballads in 1970s like Araw-Araw, Gabi-Gabi, Bakit Ako Mahiya. Doon siya sumikat. Doon na yung paborito ng karamihan. Bakit Ako Mahiya at Hindi Kami Damong Ligaw. Many music enthusiasts regard her as one of the Philippine jukebox queen, along with other singers popular during her time, such as Claire de la Puente, Amapola Maria Cabaze, Eva Eugenio, Lea Navarro, and Imelda Papin. She was notorious for accidentally exposing her breasts habang kumakanta yun, di ba? While singing Bakit Ako Mahihiya during the 1977 PAMAS Award night. 2 months before her death, Reyes, she was interviewed by journalist Corina Sanchez about her retirement in the music industry and her new life as a beauty salon owner. Ayan. Tingnan natin, pakinggan natin. Siya po ay walang iba kundi ang ating jukebox queen, Miss Didit Reyes. Just music.
Dapat katapusang laba sa di matanggal naman.
Okay, jazz music. Ang binabanggit natin, kundi si Jukebox Queen Didit Reyes. Sobrang naging sikat po ang ating Didit Reyes ng mga panahon na yan. Isa pa nga, ayan ang jazz music natin. O, subukan naman natin itong isa. It's a boy. He was Filipino singer. O, tingnan niyo mabuti. Actor. And a politician also. His voice earned his various titles, including Jukebox King and Plaka King. Before becoming a singer, He starred in some production of Sampaguita Pictures. He was also a member of Iglesia ni Cristo. He previously hosted the show Beautiful Sunday every Sunday on the Iglesia ni Cristo, owned by Net25. At siya po ay namatay noong April 23, 2021 due to COVID-19 complication. Ating pakinggan ang ating binabanggit. Siya ay si Victor Nobleza Wood. Napakagwapo niyan. Nung bata pa siya lalo. Okay. Jazz music.
Far across the blue water,
Sino nagkakakinig?
away over yonder, by the banks of the old river Rhine, where I loved her and left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, look up towards the heaven. It's night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein.
There I loved her and lived her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein.
When my memory wanders
Sarap nung hagod, ano po?
away over yonder, of the sweetheart that I left behind. In a moment of glory, a face comes before me, the face of my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, walk down by the river, pretend that your hands holding mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein.
Jazz music.
Amoy kulog?
Next natin.
Just in, tipid ka sa No Type Twin Jumbo Pack. Sa dalawang sachet,
Okay,
kaya
nagustuhan
ang
ba
dalawang
ninyo?
gabata. Hi, Twin Jumbo Pack.
Okay, that is Jazz music. Yan po, tinatawag natin si Mr. Victor Nobleza Wood.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and the tears are on the rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never go no stronger if I I live to be 100 years old. Now you say that you found someone you love better. That's the way it happened every time before. And it's you as the sun shines up tomorrow. Crying time will start when you walk out the door. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time.
Ayan po si Mr. Victor Nobleza Wood. Tingnan naman natin to. Sino nga ba tong Filipino singer most famous songs such as Bakit May Pag-ibig Pa at Gintong Araw? He was also known to have sung the most memorable jingle in all of the Philippine culture, Seiko Wallet. Commercial niya po yun. He was contemporary to June Polistico, Anthony Castelo, and Nonoy Zuniga. And was crowned King of Tagalog Song in 1982 and scored a number of gold records. He died in 2001. Okay. Jazz music. Parang di ko ata ito masyadong na ano.
Hindi ko na nasisilangan
Laka ng boses, ano?
ang sikat ng araw. Hindi ko na namamasdan pa ang ganda ng buwan. Nasaan ba ang iyong pag-ibig na dati sa akin naman? Ibalik mo ang init ng suyuan at pagmamahalan. Magbuhat ng lumamin ang init ng iyong pag-ibig, pagkat ikaw ang tanging ligaya niya ring buhay. Pababayaan mo kayang masayang na lang mga gintong araw na kinalagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa atin ang pag-ibig kung puso at gabi magsilamig? Pababayaan mo masayang na lang. Mga gintong araw na kinanagaan, may halaga pa ba sa atin ang pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabi magsilamig, nasaan ba ang iyong pangako na ika'y di magbabago? Bakit nga ba hindi mo masabi na mahal mo pa rin ako? Huwag kang mag-alinlangan, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y naghihintay, pagkat ikaw ang tanging ligaya niya ring buhay. Pababayaan mo kayang masayang na lang, mga gintong araw na kinanagaan, may halaga pa ba sa atin ang pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabi magsilamig, pababayaan mo kayang masayang na lang, mga gintong araw na kinanagaan, may halaga pa ba sa atin ang pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabi magsilamig, pababayaan mo kayang masayang na lang, mga gintong araw na kinanagaan, may halaga pa ba sa...
Excited magpa-color today. Si tunog na buhok tomorrow? Not me. I've switched. Pantene Supplement Conditioner with Provitamin and Collagen helps repair damage. Kaya salon shiny hair ang nasa feature ko. It's not luck, it's Pantene.
Just music. Just music.
Di ko malimutan ang ika'y mawalay sa akin, at nabihag ka ng puso ng iba. Nagpaalaman sa isa't isa'y anong sakit pa rin, pagkat langit ko ay ang ibigin ka. At limutin ka'y di ko magagawa. May pag-ibig pa ba sa katulad kong ang puso'y naulila? May pag-ibig pa ba? Meron bang pag-asa lumigaya pa ngayong malayo ka na? Ang lahat ng liham at larawang inialay mo, hanggang sa ngayon ay kayamanan ko. Sa tuwing basahin ko mga nilalaman nito, luha lamang ang aking kasagutan. Sa pagsuyo mong di ko malimutan, may pag-ibig pa ba sa katulad kong ang puso'y naulila? May pag-ibig kalikasan, lumigaya pa. Ngayong malayo ka na.
Asahan mo ipagdarasal ko ang kaligayahan mo sa piling niya. Paalam, mahal. Paalam.
May pag-ibig ka ba? Sa katulad kong ang puso'y naulila. May pag-ibig ka ba? Mayroon bang pag-asa? Lumigaya pa. Ngayong malayo ka na.
Jazz music.
Paalam.
Paalam po. Okay, ayan na po. Isusunod natin. Medyo mahaba-haba po. Thank you po sa mga nanonood sa atin. Sana mabalikan ninyo ang ating mga memories. Ayan. Okay, next natin. Ito ay si Ruel Cortez. Si Ruel Cortez ay sinilang November 13, 1957. Ay, wala na din. April 1 naman, 2015. Nang siya ay yumao. Tama? Diba? Was a Filipino singer and songwriter, who rose to fame in the 1980s due to his Tagalog hit song such as Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie, Dalagang Probinsyana, Pinay sa Japan, at Bakit Ako'y Sinaktan. His other songs, gusto ko yung Baleleng. His other songs include Baleleng, Tagalog version, Iniibig Kita, at Sa Mata Makikita. Yung pala siya pala yun. In 1992, Universal Record released a compilation album entitled Best of Ruel Cortez. And later with a video edition ng Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie, Ruel Cortez released on BCD in 2000. Pakinggan nga natin. Just music.
Tulad mo, Baleleng, ay isang mutya. Peras na kay ningning, anong ganda. Tulad mo'y bituin sa kalangitan. Tulad mo ay gintong kumikinaw. At ako, Baleleng, ay isang dukha. Langit kang iabot, ako'y lupa. At sa'yo'y nagmahal ng wagas. Kahit magkaiba ang ating landas. Kung ikaw, Baleleng, ang mawala. Kung ikaw, Baleleng, di na makita. Puso ko sa iyo'y maghihintay. Pagkat mahal na mahal kitang tunay. Pagkat mahal na mahal kitang tunay. Puso ko sa iyo'y maghihintay. Pagkat mahal na mahal kitang tunay.
Just music. Ay, ganda, no? Diba? Balikan ng mga nakaraan natin. Okay, next pa natin. Tingnan natin. Ito, makaka-relate kayo talaga dito.
Kailangan pa bang ako ay tanungin? Kailangan pa bang sa'yo ay bigkasin? Na mahal kita at wala nang iba.
Hello, Sir Rudy. Ladiao.
Sa aking mga mata.
Just music.
Kailangan pa bang ako ay lumapit at sabihin sa'yo ang laman ng bibig na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Masdan mo't makikita sa aking mga mata. Hindi na kailangan ako ay tanungin. Hindi na kailangan sa'yo ay bigkasin. Sa tuwing magkatama ang ating paningin, sa mata makikita ang aking damdamin. Kailangan ako ay tanungin. Hindi na kailangan sa'yo ay bigkasin. Sa tuwing magkatama ang ating paningin, sa mata makikita ang aking damdamin. Pa bang ako ay tanungin? Kailangan pa bang sa'yo ay bigkasin? Na mahal kita at wala nang iba. Masdan mo'y makikita sa ating mga mata. Masdan mo't makikita sa ating mga mata. Masdan mo't makikita sa ating mga mata.
Okay, just music. Okay, ang susunod natin. Ito rin, kilala nyo to, no? Siya ay si Miss Evangeline Rose Hill Eigenman. Tagalog pronunciation po yung sinabi natin, Eigenman. Siya ay pinanganak noong June 21, 1963. Siya naman po ay iniwan niya tayo ng August 5, 2022. Siya kilalang professional as Cherry Hill. Yan. Sa Tagalog nga, Airy Hill daw pala dapat yun, di Cherry Hill. Airy Hill sa Tagalog. She was also a Filipino actress with a career spanning nearly 50 years. She was dubbed La Primera Contrabida for her acting prowess, which landed her numerous antagonistic roles on film, television, and even on stage. Hill was famous award winner 6 times as a recipient of Ani ng Dangal by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, and Hall of Famer at the Metro Manila Film Festival in the Best Supporting Actress category. In 2015, she won the Best Actress trophy at the ASEAN International Film Awards. The same year, she was also won the Best Lead Actress in a Foreign Language Film at the 2015 Madrid International Film Festival. In 2019, she was awarded the Best Supporting Actress at the 42nd Gawad Urian Awards for her portrayal of the character Patricia Medina in the feature film Citizen Jake. She began her career as a child actress at the age of 9 and was best known for her role as Lavinia Arguelles in Bituing Walang Ningning, where she uttered the iconic line, "You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard, copycat," to Dorina Pineda Sharon Cuneta's character. Ating pakinggan, Mr. Hill. Just music.
Sa'yo Boy, saan ka man naroroon, kabilang dito ang damdamin kong nagbago buhat.
Oh, tingnan natin muna yung isa. No? Tinanggal mo? Sino ba naman ang hindi makakalimot? Kay Trying Hard Copycat. Hindi nagbago yan hanggang sa huling araw. Talagang ganyan pa rin ang mukha niya. Okay na? Okay. Just music.
Sa'yo Boy, saan ka man naroroon, kabilang dito ang damdamin kong nagbago buhat ng iwanan mo. Di ko nililimot sa aking alaala, maging araw at gabi, hanggang ngayon'y nagsisisi. Hello boy, mag-ingat ka sana. Sa pagtulog ko'y larawan mo ang nasa unan ko, umaasang sa pangarap ko'y kasama ka. Di ako nag-iisa, tulad ngayong wala ka na. I love you, boy.
John Ansures. Just music.
Thank you for visiting MMDFD Music Channel.
Just music. Just music. Okay. Nakaka-relate na ba kayo, Mr. John Ansures, Rudy Ladiao, Carlos Chung? Okay, ang next natin, huwag niyo kalilimutan yung mga musikang Pilipino, diba? Yun. Okay. Ang sinutukoy pa rin natin dito si Miss Geraldine Dina Sher Bonabi Sabiliano. Tagalog pronunciation nito ay Bonnebil. Yan. Formerly Soto and Penson. January 27, 1962. And alam niyo ba, she is a Filipino actress. She is recognized as the industry drama queen of her generation. She won 2 famous awards, 2 Luna Award and Multi-Best Actress wins and nomination across all leading awards-giving bodies in the country. Before joining the Philippine showbiz, Bonabi was the first runner-up in the 1979 Miss Magnolia Beauty Contest. Her first film role was in the campy 1980 film Temptation Island. Bonabi is also best known for her iconic portrayals in 14, Underage, 1980 po pareho yan, ha? Magdusa Ka, 1986, Ang Babaeng Nawawala sa Sarili, 1989, at Ang Gumapang Ka sa Lusak in 1990. Ating ang pakinggan. Kumanta pala din to, no? Singer din. Jazz music.
Bakit ba ganyan? Ibig ko'y lagi kang pagmasdan. At umaraw ay hindi pagsasawaan ang iyong katangian. Damdamin ko'y ibang-iba kapag kapiling ka, sinta. Ewan ko, bakit pa ganyan, damdamin ay maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo, dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo. Huwag mo lang ganyan. Minsan ay nauutal sa kaba. Kapag ika'y kausap na, ngunit lumalakas ang loob. Kung ikaw ay nagkatawa, ewan ko bakit pa ganyan. Damdamin ay di maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo, dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo. Pag mula nang kita'y makilala. Ewan ko bakit pa ganyan. Damdamin ay di maintindihan. Kailangan ng pag-ibig mo, dahil sa ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo. Magmula nang kita'y makilala.
Ayan, okay. Natin pong kalimutan itong mga ganito, ano? Kasi nagbigay din sila ng inspirasyon sa atin noong mga panahon na yon. Isang ipapakilala rin natin sa inyo at kilalang kilala natin lahat, Rosa Vilma Tuason Santos Recto. Born November 3, 1953. She is also a Filipino actress and politician. In a career spanning over 6 decades, she has played dramatic roles in film and television in the Philippines. She is widely referred to as the star for all season. She began her career as a child actress in the 1963 film Trudis Liit, for which she won her first FAMAS Award, Best Child Performer. She won the FAMAS Award for Best Actress for her dual role in Dama de Noche. She has portrayed the superhero Darna in 4 films, beginning with Lipad Darna, Lipad in 1973. Santos produced Pagputi ng Uwak, Pag-itim ng Tagak, which won both the FAMAS Award for Best Pictures and the Gawad Orian for Best Film. As a politician, Santos served as a governor of Batangas for 3 consecutive terms as mayor of Lipa for almost 3 consecutive terms also. She was also elected as the representative of the 6th District of Batangas, which comprised only the city of Lipa in 2016. She was encouraged by various political parties to run for the Senate in 2019, but refused to do so. She also served as a House Deputy Speaker from 2019 to 2022, and as the representative of Batangas 6th District from 2016 to 2022. Diba? Artista na, singer pa. Tingnan natin. Miss Vilma Santos. Jazz music. Nakaka-relate kayo dyan. Sweet 16.
I've never been kissed, I've never been lovin', a kissin', a lovin', a kissin' all night long. A kissin', a lovin', a kissin', a lovin', a kissin' all night long. A kissin', a lovin', a kissin', a lovin', a kissin'.
Okay. Ganda, no? Diba? Para tayo bumabalik to sa, 16 years old, no? Diba? Ganda. Next natin. Ito, singer talaga naman to eh. Born in January 6, 1966. A Filipino actress, singer, and television personality. Prolific in multiple fields of entertainment. She is also known for playing dramatic and comedic leading roles in film and television. Her accolades includes 3 famous awards. Agawad Urian Awards 19 Box Office Entertainment Award, 3 PMC Star Award for Movies, and 2 Luna Awards. Referred to as a mega star, Cuneta began her career, siya si Sharon Gamboa Cuneta Pangilinan. Daming apelido, gusto ko yung ganun. Okay. At syempre, megastar Cuneta began her career as a recording artist with the release of 1978 single, Tawag ng Pag-ibig, under Bicor Music Corporation. She rose to prominence following the success of Mr. DJ, maganda yan, composed by Ray Valera, with record sales exceeding 1 million in the Philippines. Cuneta is one of the best-selling Filipino musical artists of all time. Among her multi-platinum awards include Isn't It Romantic? For Broken Heart Only, movie theme song, and Sharon Singh Valera. Some of the most successful songs include Bitubing Walang Ningning, Mr. DJ, High School Life, Maging Sino Ka Man, Langis at Tubig, Sana Wala Nang Wakas, P.S. I Love You to Love Again, Kahit Konting Paningin. Following her success in music, Cuneta also ventured into film and television in 1981. She starred in her first feature film, Dear Heart, opposite Gabby Concepcion. It was followed by a string of acclaim and blockbuster film such as Bukas Luluhod ang Mga Tala, Bituing Walang Ningning, Babangon Ako, Dudurugin Kita. Gusto ko yung palabas na yun. Napanood ko yun. Konting Pagtingin, Maging Sino Ka Man, Madrasta. Magagaling ang neto si Miss Sharon Cuneta. Crying Ladies, Caregiver, and Unexpectedly Yours. In television, Cuneta hosted a musical show such as Sharon Cuneta Show and served as judge in numerous talent competition such as Star Power, Your Face Sound Familiar, The Voice Kids, and The Voice Teens. Let's welcome Miss Sharon Cuneta. Jazz music. Shout out Jan Sures.
Kahit na ilang laksang bituin, kayang pantayan ating ningning. Alapin mo ako, liwanag ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang edad na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning. Kung kapalit nito'y walang paglalang. aking narating, ngunit langit pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y naging isa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, kayang pantayan ating
Jazz music. Yan. Hello, Miss Elena Sepcion, Jinkilim, Irene Manat. Hello po sa inyo. Sa ating jazz music. Jazz music.
Naglalamping sa iyong piling ay ligaya kong walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Ang hanggan ay hahamakin, pagkat walang katapusan, kitang iibigin. Kahit na ilang tinik ay kaya kong tapakan, yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking maawitin, hanggang ang himig ko'y maging himig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Sana'y wala nang wakas, kapag hapdi ay lumipas. Ang mahalaga ngayon ay pag-asa, dala ng pag-ibig sa sibong daigdig. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Walang hanggan ay aamakin, pagkat walang katapusan, kitang iibigin.
Siyempre, sundan na uli natin mga artista na ito mga sinasabi natin, ano? Diba? Ito po, ito kilalang-kilala ninyo to. Miss Nora Cabaltera Villamor, known as Nora Aunor. Honor pala yun pagka Tagalog pronunciation. She is a Filipino actress, recording artist, a film producer. Honor has also appeared in several stage play, television show, and concert. She known as Philippine Cinema's superstar and was conferred as National Artist of the Philippines for Film and Broadcast Arts in 2022. Hollywood Reporter called her the Grand Dame of the Philippine cinema for her performance in the movies Taklob and Justicia, Justice, Taklob Traf, and for her contribution to the Philippine film industry. Honor started her career as singer after winning a local talent search. She rose to fame in the following years as both singer and actress after her film debut all over the world. She transitioned this into heavy drama with highly acclaimed performance in films such as Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos. Minsan isang gamo-gamo. Magaganda pong palabas yan. Ina ka ng anak mo. Himala. Bulaklak sa City Jail. Bona. The Floor Contemplation Story. Bakit may kahapon pa? Thy Womb. Dementia. That gave her further international recognition and numerous international awards and nomination. For her work, Honor received 17 famous award nomination and is a Hall of Fame inductee, winning 5 Best Actress award. She is the most nominated actress in the history of the Gawad Urian Awards with 21 nominations, winning 7. And the only performer to be chosen as one of the best actors and actresses of the decade in 3 different decades, 1980s, 1990s, and 2010s. By the same award body, she has won 8 trophies for PMPC Star Award for her work in film and television, as well as 8 Metro Manila Film Festival Award, 4 Luna Awards, 5 Young Critics Circle Award, a Cairo International Film Festival Award, and Asia Pacific Screen Award, and Asian Film Award. Among others, ang dami. Sige nga, pakinggan natin. Kung hindi pa niyo nakakalimutan, Miss Nora Aunor. Jazz music. Masarap pakinggan.
In your life, have you known any lonely day like the ones that I've had since you went away? And have you been to a world where you're all alone, like the world I've known, waiting for you? There are stars, but all their sparkle gone. There's a moon, but not a silvery one. Lights are cold, and days without a sun. They've all grown tired and gone, waiting for you. But my heart, still in love, keeps a flame for you. Though the love that we shared was a game for you. And just in case that your heart breaks in two like mine, come back and find that I'm waiting a silvery one. Nights are cold and days without a sun. They've all grown tired and gone, waiting for you. There are stars, but all their sparkle gone. There's a moon, but not a silvery one. Nights are cold and days without a sun. They've all grown tired and gone, waiting for you.
Sige.
Okay, ayan po si Miss Nora Aunor. Balikan natin ang mga nakaraan natin, ano. Siguro yung mga bata like si Angelo Sanchez, hindi yan makakarelate. Pero pakinggan niyo, napakaganda ng mga music. Next natin. Just music.
Everyone has a song that belongs to their life, that will go on and on through the years of their life. There's a wonderful song, one that you brought to me, and I look on the song as my life sent for me. This is a song of my life. It will go on through my life. Something you said tenderly started this music for me. It sprang from things that we share. Only through you is it there. I wanted love, didn't I? Singing the song of my life. I can picture the past that we knew yesterday. Every tear, every laugh, every step of the way. I looked on what was wrong in the things that were right, and each moment belongs to the song of my life. This is a song of my life. It will go on through my life. Something you said tenderly started this music for me. It sprang from things that we shared. Only through you is it there. I wanted love, didn't I? Singing the song of my life. La 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 la
Okay, next natin. Kilala rin nyo to ng mga... Nawala na. Ayan. Ang ipapakilala ka na namin sa susunod, Edgar Mortiz, born in August 30, 1954. Malapit na uli birthday niya. Is a Filipino actor, comedian, singer, and director who is currently affiliated with GMA Network and Bright Light Production. He is previously directed numerous shows under ABS-CBN until it shut down, where he left the network after 34 years. A pledge of love ang isang ano niya dyan. Edgar Mortiz, ayan ang itsura. Ayan po, pinapartner yan kayla Miss Vilma Santos, silang dalawa noon. Sa kabila naman si Guy and Pip, no? Yan. So, ang parang nakiklik sa kanya ay ang My Pledge of Love Cannot Be Broken. Yan ba? Okay. Sige po, take it away, Mr. Edgar Mortiz, para dito sa ating Jazz Music. Okay na. Jazz music.
Like precious jewel, it holds my feelings. The cords that binds our hearts together, the only witness to our pleasant dreams. My pledge of love cannot be broken, and I believe it's there with you forever. If I must die to lose the love you gain, again I'll come to life and pledge my love again. That couldn't take you away from me, 'cause I'll take your love with me. Promise me that you will be true to me eternally. My pledge of love cannot be broken, and I believe it's there with you forever. If I must die to lose the love you gain, again I'll come to life and pledge my love again.
Jazz music. Thank you po for watching us here in Jazz Music.
Alaalang nagbabalik tuwing ay nasa isip ang kahapong anong tamis ng ating sumpaan na wagas. Alaalang nagbabalik ang ating pag-ibig, di mawalay sa aking dibdib kahit na isang saglit. Malilimutan ba naman?
Hello, Miss Blesilda Barranco Tolentino. Thank you for watching.
Pag-ibig ko'y di mag-iiba kahit na nilimot mo sinta. Alaalang nagbabalik
Jazz music.
ang ating
Hello, Miss Lerma Nerva Mendoza.
Hindi mawalay sa aking dibdib kahit na isang saglit. Malilimutan ba naman kita kung sa tuwina ay alaala ka? Pag-ibig ko'y di mag-iiba kahit na nilimot mo sinta. Alaalang nagbabalik ang ating pag-ibig.
Miss Bless, nakabalik ka ba? Nakaka-relate ka ba dito? Jazz music.
Isang saglit.
Yun, thank you very much. Yan po ang ating jazz music. Kung matatandaan niyo po sila, nakaka-relate ba kayo? Ayan. Meron naman makakabalik pa rin tayo dun sa mga dati nating napapakinggan noon. Ano, di ba? So, alam niyo naman mga Pilipino, sobrang galing sa paggawa ng mga kanta, no? Napansin nyo na common denominator ng mga kanta ay ang pag-ibig. Ha? Yan. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mamaya ang ating walang kaliwaan. Thank you very much sa mga nanood sa atin. Ayan. Ayan, sabi nito, ay, pan daw siya ni Eddie Peregrina. Oy, Eddie Peregrina daw. RB. Eddie Peregrina. Isang Eddie Peregrina dyan. Thank you naman po sa lahat ng mga nanood sa atin. I-share and like lang po ninyo ang ating jazz music dito sa ating Kakampi Online. Sige, isang request for Eddie Peregrina. Kilala nyo ba siya? Tingnan natin.
I do love you, I really do. I do love you, nobody but you. Only you would make my dream come true. And only you.
This is for you, Miss Bless.
I remember, darling, when I first saw you, you were so lovely that every girl would envy. The thrill you gave me was only meant for me. So please, my love, don't ever go. Now if you love me, please do.
Para sa'yo yan Bless.
I'm telling you, I don't have nobody. It's you, and nobody but you. Now if you love me, please do love me only. I'm telling you, I don't have nobody. It's you, and nobody but you.
70s yan.
That every girl would envy. The thrill you gave me was only meant for me. So please, my love, don't ever, ever go. So please, my love, don't ever, ever go. So please, my love, don't ever, ever go.
Ayun, para sa yan, Miss Bless. Napakasarap balikan ng mga nakaraan natin, ano? Nakakakilig to the bone. Antabayanan po ninyo mamaya ang walang kaliwaan.
Lovely flowers, one is red, the other's white. Wondering what the other will say. Should I pick one to stay? Fickle heart I had, I don't know which of the two is bad. I'd rather have a broken heart than to see the
Hello, Miss Sherwin Ocol Villariwa. Thank you for watching Jazz Music.
I don't know which one to choose. The lovely flowers surrounds my heart with fear. Two lovely flowers, one is red, the other's white. Wondering what the other will say. Should I pick one to stay? Two lovely flowers, I don't know which one to choose. Two lovely flowers surrounds my heart with fear. Two lovely flowers, one is red, the other's white. Wondering what the other will say. Should I pick one to stay?
Okay. Yan po ang last natin. Marami pong salamat sa panonood dito sa ating Just Music. Paalam na po.